Hi viewers, this is Rajender. Welcome to Rajender Reddy Chemistry Point. In last class, we discussed about definition of chemistry. Now, in this chemistry basic level part 2, we are discussing about importance of chemistry. Chemistry play important role in number of fields like agriculture, food, medicine, electronics, building materials and etc. Let us discuss in detail. Agriculture. Chemistry play important role in agriculture for the production of fertilizers, pesticides and etc. These are used to increase the crop yield. For example, urea. Urea is used for the different crops. This urea is mainly provides nitrogen for the plants. So due to that, the growth of the plant is increases. The next, cut of hydrochloride. This is the main important insecticide that is generally used for the paddy fields. The next, the second application of chemistry is pharmaceutical industry. Chemistry play important role in the production of new medicines like penicillin, paracetamol, antacids. Penicillins are nothing but these are antibiotics. And next, paracetamol. This is mainly used for the fever. Antacid. This is mainly used for the what is that acidity. The third application of chemistry is the production of synthetic fibers and plastics. We know very well that synthetic fibers nowadays we are maximum using synthetic fibers instead of natural fibers. Here, nylon and rayon, these two are the best example for the synthetic fibers and plastics. So here so many of the metals and wood articles are replaced with plastics only. Nowadays the major materials we are using at our home are something else, that is only plastic materials. The best example here is PET. PET means polyethylene terephthalate and the next PVC, polyvinyl chloride. So PET means PET. These PET bottles you can see at our home also. And PVC also you can see at our home. Nothing but PVC pipes are there, water pipes are there. So these synthetic fibers and plastics are produced from the petrochemicals. So we know very well that petrochemicals are obtained from the petroleum. So from petroleum, we are getting petrochemicals due to some chemical process. That chemical process are nothing but due to the development of chemistry only. The next, fourth application of the chemistry is building materials. The basic building materials such as cement, bricks, steel, paints, etc. are manufactured by chemical process only. We know very well that cement has gypsum also. So this gypsum is produced from chemical processes. And bricks, for the production of bricks you use the mud and as well as coal. And the next, steel is nothing but iron. So this is also produced due to development of chemistry. Paints are nothing but petrochemicals only. So all these are, so these building materials, cement, bricks, steel, paints and so many things etc, these are produced due to development of chemistry only. Then next, fifth application, electronics. The electrical materials such as wires, transformers, switchboards, computer chips, etc. are manufactured due to development of chemistry only. We know very well that in transformers, maximum in transformers you have the it is prepared with the metals only. Wires also prepared with the metals only. Switchboards are prepared with the plastics and computer chips. These are generally made up of with the semiconductors. Okay, means metallites only. So all these are produced due to development of chemistry only. Not only these five fields, other fields also there. Those are depends on the chemistry. Till now, we discussed about importance of chemistry. Now we are going to discuss about harmful effects of chemistry. From that, the first one is increased pollution. Due to chemical process, harmful smoke, poisonous gases, and toxic waste products produced from industries. These pollutants causes air pollution, water pollution, and soil pollution. For example, generally from industries, carbon dioxide gas is produced. So due to the carbon dioxide gas, global warming is takes place. Not only global warming, this also leads to acid rains also. Here the next, water pollution. Coming to the water pollution, from industries, different products are produced, and these products are finally enters into the rivers. So when these toxic products are enters into the rivers, the whatever the aquatic animals are there, they will die, and that water is also not useful to human beings. The next, soil pollution. So due to evolution of different products from the industries that are slowly incorporated into soils. So due to that, the soil pollution is also increases. So due to soil pollution, the fertility of the land is decreases. The second harmful effects of chemistry is depletion of natural resources. So here, due to increased industrialization, this causes depletion of natural resources such as forest, minerals, petroleum, coal, etc. For the sake of us, we are using natural resources in all the ways. We are digging the earth to get coal and petroleum, and we are cutting the trees also. So, due to these activities, our natural resources are decreasing day by day. We know very well that we are digging the earth crust to get the petroleum and as well as coal. So, now again, these petroleum are coal uses for different processes. So due to these processes, what happen, different pollutants are produced. So simply we are cutting the trees, but we are not planting the trees also. So due to cutting the trees, what happened, so it leads to deforestation. Due to deforestation, the carbon dioxide concentration is increases in atmosphere. It causes global warming, and due to that rainfall is also decreases. So completely, to develop our things, we are using natural resources in different ways. So due to that, the natural resources are depleting day by day. The third harmful effect of chemistry is destructive weapons. As the development of chemistry, it leads to production of the so many explosives like trinitrotoluene TNT and RTX. So other deadly weapons like atomic bomb, hydrogen bombs are also invented. So we can say simply that during the Second World War, on August in the year of 1945, on Hiroshima and Nagasaki, these are the two cities of Japan. So on that, United States of America dropped a bomb. So due to that nuclear bomb, so many people were killed, and now today also, that nuclear reactions, that nuclear radiations are affecting the people of that area. And not only that, we know very well about Alfred Nobel. So that Nobel also invented dynamite. It is also an explosives. So here, due to the development of chemistry, so it may leads to harmful also sometimes. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.